I feel Valentine's is between the people who celebrate it. Sure, the way it is portrayed in media can be, quite heteronormative in its way, at least in the way media portrays it. But I feel as a celebration, it's up to the people who celebrate it.
It's still focused on heteronormative like relationships, but I think the concept in general, in terms of like Gen Z and like all our generation, I think it's become more broader, and I think it accommodates more of like queer relationships as well. But I feel like marketing wise, it's still marketed to like a lot of like heteronormative concepts. Queer people should be included and they should feel like this is their festival or like this is their celebration. But I think a lot of the times, because of the marketing, because of films, because of like so much straight media like being fed to us, we feel a little excluded.
It really goes person to person on how you're celebrating Valentine's, and I don't think I've till date anywhere I've seen Valentine's being just about heterosexuals. It has been, I mean, for me, I don't think I have. So if you're not one, you just go for it. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen it being promoted as just a heterosexual thing.
I think I've come across a lot of ads recently where I think it's talk about 5-star or Cadbury, where they've tried to sort of end the whole thing about stigma about Valentine's Day as a concept itself, where they're saying we should respect the people who don't have a Valentine's Day that day. But even in those ads, I can see that there is a hint of preference or inclination to and on the opposite end hesitation towards accepting the homosexuality possibility of a Valentine's Day date. So yeah, I think people are still inclined towards it. That's a general conception.
As a concept, yes. I still think most advertising, most marketing that we see is still extremely heterosexual. But for example, I saw recently Instamart and Blinkit, and they had this single mode and non-single mode, and it didn't feel heterosexual. It was very simple. But otherwise, yeah, I think everywhere I go, if I'm going to a restaurant, if I'm going for movies, and if they have anything related to Valentine's, it's always heterosexual.
Even the reels and the posts that you get, it's always centered around a man and a woman and not like anything else. Even the memes that come up like being single, or you don't have a man or you don't have a woman, it's always very heteronormative. No one really thinks about the other spectrum at all.
I mean, yeah, I agree to a point, but I feel like nowadays in my feed, I've been getting a lot more gay people in my feed, so it's kind of nice.
It's very rare though.
It is.
It's dominated by heteronormative stuff.
It is.
It's more accepting, but not to a point.
Not enough.
Not enough. Exactly.